SCON Design India Pvt Ltd, a leading innovator in warehouse manufacturing, has recently expanded its operations to Bengaluru, marking a significant milestone in the company's growth trajectory. With decades of experience in the industry, SCON Design has established itself as a trusted partner for businesses seeking cutting-edge warehouse solutions. The company's mission is clear: to revolutionize the warehousing landscape by delivering state-of-the-art facilities that optimize efficiency, sustainability, and scalability for our clients. At the heart of SCON Design's philosophy lies a commitment to excellence and innovation. Our team of expert engineers and designers work tirelessly to create warehouses that not only meet but exceed industry standards. By leveraging advanced technologies and sustainable practices, we ensure that each facility we manufacture is a testament to our dedication to quality and environmental responsibility. What sets SCON Design apart is our holistic approach to warehouse manufacturing. We understand that every business has unique needs, which is why we offer customized solutions tailored to each client's specific requirements. From initial concept to final construction, our team collaborates closely with customers to ensure that every aspect of the warehouse design aligns perfectly with their operational goals and future growth plans. By choosing SCON Design for your warehouse needs, you're not just investing in a building, you're investing in a strategic asset that will drive your business forward. Our warehouses are designed to maximize space utilization, increasing storage capacity and operational efficiency, reduce energy consumption through innovative design and sustainable materials, enhance worker safety and productivity with ergonomic layouts and advanced systems, adapt to evolving business needs with flexible and scalable structures. As we establish our presence in Bengaluru, we're excited to bring our expertise to one of India's most dynamic business hubs. Our new facility is equipped with cutting-edge technology and staffed by a team of highly skilled professionals, ensuring that we can meet the growing demand for top-tier warehouse solutions in the region. At SCON Design, we believe that our success is intrinsically linked to the success of our clients. That's why we go above and beyond to ensure that every warehouse we manufacture becomes a cornerstone of our customers' operational excellence. From initial consultation to ongoing support, we're committed to building lasting partnerships that drive mutual growth and success. Are you ready to transform your warehousing capabilities and take your business to new heights? Learn more about how SCON Design can revolutionize your operation.